In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CoinMarketCap search to find coins. Whether you're just getting started with cryptocurrency or you're an experienced trader looking to expand your portfolio, knowing how to effectively use CoinMarketCap's search feature can make a significant difference in your ability to find the information you need quickly. To begin, head over to CoinMarketCap's website by entering its URL into your browser. For those of you who might not be familiar, CoinMarketCap is a leading platform for tracking the capitalization of various cryptocurrencies. It provides detailed data and analytics that help users understand market trends, make informed investment decisions, and stay updated with the latest happenings in the crypto space. Once you're on the CoinMarketCap homepage, direct your attention to the search bar. It's conveniently located at the top of the page. This is your primary tool for locating any cryptocurrency. The search bar is prominent and easy to spot, which is incredibly handy for finding exactly what you're looking for without any hassle. Now, take a moment to click inside the search bar. Here, you'll type in the name of the cryptocurrency you're interested in. Let's say you're on the hunt for Bitcoin. Simply start typing Bitcoin into the search bar, and as you type, you'll notice a drop-down list emerges. This list automatically populates with a series of options that closely match what you're typing. It's a smart feature designed to save you time and make the searching process seamless. When you see the name of the coin you're searching for in the list, go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to a dedicated page full of detailed data on the coin's market performance, historical trends, and other crucial insights. Once on the coin's page, you can review its latest price, see its market capitalization, check out its trading volume over the past 24 hours, and even view charts that track its historical performance. Additionally, important metrics like the circulating supply and links to the coin's official website, social media channels, and white papers are often readily available. That's it. Using CoinMarketCap's search feature is as simple as navigating to the website, entering the coin name in the search bar, and clicking on the coin to get all the detailed information you need. This straightforward process is invaluable for anyone who wants to delve deeper into the world of cryptocurrencies and stay informed about their investments. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Keep these steps in mind every time you want to look up a coin. It's a straightforward process that, once you get the hang of, will serve you well on your cryptocurrency journey. Thanks for tuning in and happy investing.